Sweet Cravings Explained. Sugar Fix, Unveiled. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a sweet topic, sugar fix. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations. So, let's dive in. Sugar fix is a colloquial phrase consisting of two words, sugar and fix. Sugar, a sweet substance that comes from plants, particularly sugarcane and sugar beet. It's commonly used to sweeten foods and drinks. Fix, in this context, it doesn't mean repair, like fixing a broken toy. Instead, it refers to a dose or a satisfying amount of something that one desires or craves. Together, sugar fix implies a craving for something sweet, or the act of satisfying that craving. Let's look at some examples to understand its usage. 1. After a long day at work, I need a sugar fix. This means the person wants something sweet to eat or drink after a tiring day. 2. Whenever I'm stressed, I reach for a chocolate bar to get my sugar fix. Here, the person uses chocolate as a way to satisfy their sweet craving during stressful times. 3. Do you know any good bakeries around? I'm looking for a quick sugar fix. In this example, the person is searching for a place to buy something sweet. Understanding synonyms can provide more context. Some synonyms or similar phrases for sugar fix include sweet tooth, craving for sweets, need for sugar. For instance, I have a sweet tooth today can also mean I need a sugar fix today. And there you have it. The phrase sugar fix is a fun and casual way to express a craving for something sweet. So the next time you're yearning for a candy bar, cake, or any sugary delight, you'll know exactly how to express it in English. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, a little sugar now and then can be quite delightful. Happy learning!